morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Nobin Pradhan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a video conference with Chief Ministers of States today to decide the future course of action in the fight against COVID-19. Several states have appealed to the centre to extend the complete lockdown beyond April 14th. Odisha and Punjab have announced extending the lockdown till the end of April, while the Telangana government has asked extension of the lockdown by another 2 weeks. The Prime Minister has already discussed on 2 occasions the implementation of the lockdown with state chief ministers and lieutenant governors of union territories. A 21-day complete lockdown of the entire nation was announced on the 24th of March. A meeting of the empowered groups of officers under the chairmanship of Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister yesterday reviewed the efforts of 11 empowered groups formed to tackle the challenges posed by the spread of COVID-19. The issues related to supply chain and logistics management for availability of necessary items and was discussed at large in this meeting. The PMO also ensured that efforts undertaken for the benefit of stakeholders are duly delivered. The officials directed that all necessary steps to assist the farmers to harvest their produce while maintaining social distancing should be ensured by the states. Emphasis was also laid on confidence-building measures and percolation of guidelines of the Ministry of Home Affairs at the ground level. The gathering reviewed and expressed satisfaction at the detailed testing protocol and procedure under which around 150,000 samples have been tested till date. It was also informed that the centre is in constant touch with the states and district-level monitoring is being undertaken to arrange for shelter for the vulnerable groups like the migrants and the homeless. Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department has informed that till date all samples for COVID-19 tests sent by the state have been certified to be in good condition by the designated laboratories. Clarifying on misinformation being circulated on various social media platforms, the department reiterated that collection and transportation of samples are done in compliance with the norms set by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the World Health Organization. Principal Director Dr. Vizolya Shukre said samples are collected using all precautions from the designated district collection centers by trained health personnel. He said samples collected as per norm can be stored for 48 to 72 hours. Dr. Shukre said the time taken between sample collection and receipt at the laboratory for all samples sent from Nagaland so far is within 6 hours. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has urged states to promote mobile app Arogya Setu to bring the people of the country together in a resolute fight against COVID-19. Chairing a video conference with states regarding the steps taken on COVID-19, Dr. Harsh Vardhan said the fight against the pandemic is now more than 3 months old and the prevention, containment and management is being monitored at the highest level in collaboration with the states. Pointing to the critical importance of the next few weeks to break the chain of transmission of the disease, the minister urged all to ensure social distancing and spread awareness about personal hygiene. He exhorted the states and UTs to promote voluntary blood donation and arranging mobile units for safe blood donation for adequate supply of blood at any point of time. Dr. Vardhan also reviewed the status of dedicated COVID-19 hospitals in the country. Kipre District Task Force for COVID-19 has decided that Kipre District Hospital will be converted to COVID-19 hospital. In a meeting chaired by Deputy Commissioner Sarita Yadav, it was decided that the general patients will have to be shifted to the old building of Kipre District Hospital. The meeting further decided that Duda Girls Hostel, Duda Boys Hostel, 14 IR Camp and Jisaji Presidency College Kipre will be used as quarantine centers. Meanwhile, it was informed that the international border has been sealed by setting up checkpoints at the junctions of Longmatra, Yangzitong and Longtonggar. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.